Assalamu alaikum students, hope you all are safe and in a good health. In our previous lecture, we have studied about incompetence. I'm talking about English literatures, chapter number 1. We have studied about incompetence and then we have done the question answer segment. Now we are going to do English literature book page number 12. As you can see here, there's a question number C, part C, and the question number 1 is sentences. Write question for these answers. Note variations are possible. Now their answer and we have to write the questions. Generally we have questions and we have to write the answers. Now we have the answers and we have to write the question. She was the prime minister. We can say that what was her job. Then the answer will be she was the prime minister. B. Possibly. I am not sure about that. If I'll ask you, are you coming with me? Then you can say that possibly I'm not sure about that. It most certainly is not. As I can ask you that, is it cold there? Then you can say that it most certainly is not. I did. Now, we can say that, did you complete your work? Then the person can say, I did. They call them the tribe twins. What they call them? Make a statement, a command, a question, an exclamation for each of the following pair of words given below. Don't forget to the proper punctuation mark. A man is not a machine. It's a statement. Is man a machine? It's a question. Make that man a machine. The command. That's not a man, but a machine. Exclamation. Now, cat or door. Let's go. Cat. The cat is near the box. Let the cat out through the door. Number 1, the statement is the cat is near the door. Command, let that cat out through the door. Question, is the cat behind the door? Exclamation, that cat, it has scratched the book. Now what you have to do is you have to make statement, command, question, exclamation of this, and this. Convert the following exclamation to statement. Do not change the meaning. What a lovely dress. That's a lovely dress. How brave are you? You are so brave. How angry she is. She is really angry. What a fine day it is. It's a fine day. Idiomatic language. Here is a sentence from the story. So they set off through the early morning town. When they got to the end of the narrow street where they lived, they met a night watchman who said, where are you two going at this hour? In this sentence, the phrase set off means begins a journey. We call such an expression an idiom. There are many idiomatic expressions in English. अक्सर ऐसा होता है हम कोई वर्ड यूज़ करते हैं जिसका मतलब कुछ और होता है, ठीक है. जैसे आपने देखा कि they set off mean they begin a journey. Okay. Here you can see some of the examples. Set about something begin. Mr. Ali got home. She set about preparing dinner for her family. Set someone back, any delay. This puncture is going to set us back 1 hour. Here you can see other examples so you can better understand about this. Now, listen to the description of Venice and answer the question. Make the correct answer with a tick. Venice is a city in. It's a city in Italy. Venice is a city in Italy. The city is like a maze. Venice is famous for its architecture. The city is in danger of sinking. Venice has a lot of museums and cafes. Write 5 detailed sentences about where you live. Then, in a small group, take turn to read out your work. Make notes on what you heard from the other. Next, take turn to Ask question about what you read about, how much information did you classmate. First of all, what you have to do right here is you have to write 5 sentences that where you actually live. Okay, this is it for today. We'll discuss further in the next lecture. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, take care, Allah Hafiz.